Hello everyone. Right in front of me is the 1905 Wright 3 Flyer. This is the first full-on legit airplane in the world. The plane that was used in 1903 that's at the Air and Space Museum in DC is technically still a glider. So this right here is the first legit airplane. And it is housed at the Wright Brothers Museum at Carillon Historical Park in Dayton, Ohio. Right here we have some info on it. So just think about it. All the airplanes that you see up in the sky any given day, it all traces its lineage right to this plane right here. And here are some busts of Orville and Wilbur Wright. Here's Wilbur. And here's Orville. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. It's definitely really neat to be in the presence of the first ever airplane. Please like the video, please comment on the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.